In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Auth token in Blynk. Now, the first thing you want to do to get the Auth token, you want to go to devices over here on the left, and then from here, you want to click on new device, and then you want to, of course, create your new device, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to click on something completely random over here, and then here, you want to go ahead and use the blueprint, and it's going to start configuring and setting everything up. Of course, make sure you do actually create something meaningful over here, and then when you do that, you want to go to the activate device over here on the right hand side and click on that. And then from here, the first thing that's going to happen is usually it's going to require you to input Wi-Fi credentials or not, depending on which device type you actually selected. And then down here, it's going to say generate a new auth token. Now here is where you can click on generate auth token, and then here your token is going to be displayed. You can click to copy and it's going to get copied to your clipboard, then click on next, and then just basically do all this and then do all the steps over here, and then you can close it, and then okay, got it. And if you go to devices right now, you'll be able to see I have one device, and then over here you can also see this auth token yet again right here displayed without you having to actually go anywhere into the settings. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.